Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Keanu Reeves, and it is my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you here at CreativeGraphicz.com.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this viral talking avatar using AI. Before getting started, please drop a like this video. So let's get started. Okay guys, first we need to create an avatar. So here I use the Blue Willow AI generator to create my avatar. This AI generator is 100% free. I put the link in the description. You can check it after this video. Okay, here I type my prompt, and it gives me these results. So I download a few images here. So guys, next step is creating a voice. So here I use a free AI voice generator called 11 Labs. You can select any voice type here. And you can adjust voice stability and more options here. So I add my text here and click generate.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Keanu Reeves, and it is my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you here at CreativeGraphicz.com.
That's actually perfect. So after you generate it, you can download it here. Okay guys, let's create talking animation. To create that, we need to go to DID Studio and create a free account. In a free account, we can make 15 or 20 talking avatars. So click this to create a video. After that, click this add icon and add your image to this. So you can use these voice options if you like, but it spent more credits, so I upload my voice file here. Okay, after that, click this generate button. Okay, it's done. Let's see the result.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Keanu Reeves, and it is my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you here at CreativeGraphicz.com.
You can see it perfectly generated, and now you can download it here. Okay guys, now we need to remove this watermark, so let's see how to do it. So go to the 123 Apps site. It's a free watermark removal tool. I put the link below, and you can check that. So upload your video here. Then draw the selection around the watermark, and click save. After that, you can download your video here.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Keanu Reeves, and it is my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you here at CreativeGraphicz.com.
So that's it guys. This is how to create a viral talking avatar using AI. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So see you guys in the next vid. Take care and peace.
But it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care.